Hi guys, my name is Janita. Welcome to my channel Zazaline. I'm a bag designer and a digitizer, and we make projects like this. So this is one of the bags I designed, and this is a sample of the digitizing. So we are making projects like this every week. It's a step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, we are gonna be working on this pumpkin, which I don't know if you can see the lights. There's a little light inside. It's a little pouch, so you can put candies in there, or whatever your heart desires. Yeah, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the like button, notification button down below. Please comment. I would like to hear from you, ideas, comments that you have. We work on a new video every week, so projects like this, digitizing, embroidery, bag designs. So please subscribe. Okay, so first we are gonna use the hoop. I'm using a little bigger hoop because the design is gonna be about 14 times 15 centimeters, and I'm using the tear away stabilizer. So let's get it ready and we will put it in the machine. So after this first step where you have the outline, we are gonna place the PVC, and that's the clear vinyl, and we will just cover it where the eyes and the mouth is. If you want, you can add a little temporary glue on the sides, or I have quite a big piece, so I think I should be okay. You can tape it on the side, you can pin it, whatever you want. I think I should be fine. So now we are gonna continue stitching. Okay, now we are gonna take it out and we are gonna cut out the mouth and the eyes. So this is how it looks when we cut it out. Just to mention, I know it's probably clear to everybody, but you want to cut it out outside, not inside, because we are trying to create 3 little windows. Okay, so now when we have the hoop in the machine and we have this outlined, we know where to place the vinyl. Well, I'm using vinyl. You can use felt or fleece, something softer. I want to try it with vinyl, so I will place it on top of the design, and again, it's up to you. You can attach it. This is quite a big piece, so it's gonna stay in place. Make sure the whole pumpkin is covered. Okay, so now we will take it out and we will cut out, this time we will cut out inside of the mouse. So at this time I took the hoop out and I flipped it over, and what we can do, we will very gently remove the tearaway inside of the eyes, and I will show you why we are doing it now as a first step before we do the other side. So let's remove all three spots. So this part is the exact reason why we want to use tearaway, not cutaway stabilizer, because the tearaway will help you cut this or tear the stabilizer away from the little windows. So just get rid of these little threads so they are not showing in the windows, and then we will flip it over and we will take the reaper, which is this little thing, or very sharp scissors, and then we will make a little hole and we will cut inside of the eyes and the mouth. This time we are cutting inside. And the reason we did this side first is when we are cutting through the vinyl on the other side, we want to make sure that the scissors or the reaper, whatever you are using, doesn't go through this window, so you don't cut the whole thing. So just make sure, look on the other side if this is not poking through. Okay, so now when we cut the windows, the vinyl, we will flip it over and we will cut all the little threads. I have prepared 2 pieces of fleece. It's nice and soft, and the edges don't fray. So now I will put this one first, and then this is gonna be on top. So this is the little access to the bag. So when you want to put the candies in, you're gonna do it this way. And just make sure it extends a little bit above the outlines of the image. So on both sides, it covers the whole area. And then you can secure it. You can use the pins, but put them far away. Don't put them where the design is, because the machine is gonna go around. You don't want to hit the needle, so just put it outside of the designs, or to be safer, put little tape on the sides. Okay, so just put the tape far away from the design. Make sure it's not gonna go through. It would be hard to remove it. And let's put it back in the machine. So this is how it looks like. Now we are gonna take the hoop out, and we will cut around the pumpkin. Okay, so first, before you start cutting the vinyl, try to remove the tearaway, okay, because it's gonna be easier to cut. It's hard to do this one hand, but you just cut it out as close as possible. Not cut it out, tear it. And once you get rid of the tearaway, then you're gonna cut around. Okay, so this is the final project. It's almost done. So what I was using is vinyl and fleece in the bag, but you can do fleece on both sides. You can use different colors. There's one last thing I would like to do, just to make it more exciting, and that's I would like to add a tiny little light so that the whole pumpkin inside is gonna light up. So I already attached, I bought these ones in a dollar store. These are the Velcro, so it sticks to the fabric quite well. And then I have these tiny little lights that when you take out this paper, it lights up. And I put a Velcro on the other side, and I don't know if you can see, but I will just attach it right in here. And this is how the pumpkin looks like when it's laid up. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below. If you have any questions, I am more than happy to answer. And hope to see you next time on my future videos. Bye-bye.